Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Physical Education class section 3. Last class we studied one of the physical fitness component, that was endurance. So today we are going to study another physical fitness component, that is strength. What is strength? Strength is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance or act against resistance. Strength can be defined as the amount of force a muscle can exert. It can be improved through systematic training. A certain level of strength is also essential for a common person. Some sports may require less amount of strength while other sports require much more strength. In the same way, sports require different types of strength. Hope you understood what is strength. For a better understanding, strength can be divided into two parts. Types of strength. Basically, there are two types of strength. Static strength. It is the ability to act against resistance from single or one position. Static strength is not usually applied in sports. It is applied in phases in powerlifting. Examples are arm wrestling, powerlifting, pushing wall, etc. So, static strength is the strength which will be developed without much movement. Next one is dynamic strength. It is related to the movement. In pull-up and push-up, we require dynamic strength. In each sports, movement strength appears in a different form. Generally, dynamic strength can be divided into three types. Three types of dynamic strength are maximal strength. It is also known as power. It is the ability to act against maximum resistance. It is more required in weightlifting, throwing, wrestling, etc. It can be measured by throw attempts and weightlifting. Next one is explosive strength. It is the ability to overcome resistance with a high speed. In fact, it is the combination of strength and speed. It is generally required in jumping activity and also in those games and sports where very fast and powerful responses are required. Next one, strength endurance. It is the combination of strength and endurance ability. It is defined as the ability to overcome resistance under fatigue condition. This quality enables a person to sustain localized muscles group for extended period of time. It is commonly required for long distance races, swimming, road cycling and mountaineering, etc. Now I will tell you few strengthening exercises which you can do at home during this lockdown time. First one, sit up, push up, squat, frog jump, stepping, skipping, jumping exercises like hopping, tuck jump, jump and jacks, etc. Hope you all will do this exercise at home. You can share your experience during the discussion at next Google class. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.